The talented students of Grade 5 at the Allied Scholar School Parischina have prepared this project with dedication and hard work, which reflects a glimpse of their future success. This project teaches us that knowledge is not confined to books alone, but by putting it into practice, new experiments and discoveries can be made. The Allied Scholar School Parischina will always continue to provide its students with opportunities to excel in the fields of creativity and research. Thank you for watching.